Upgrading your home with new windows is one of the most valuable investments you can make, especially if you're living in Lafayette, where seasonal weather changes and southern humidity can put a strain on older or poorly insulated windows. Whether your goal is to improve energy efficiency, enhance curb appeal, or eliminate drafts, knowing what to expect during a window installation project in Lafayette will help you feel more confident and prepared. Here's a step-by-step guide on how the process typically unfolds, so you can make informed decisions and get the most out of your investment. Consultation and window selection. The process begins with a professional consultation, either in-home or virtual. A window expert will inspect your existing windows, take measurements, and discuss your preferences regarding window styles, double-hung, casement, bay, etc. Frame materials, vinyl, wood, fiberglass, aluminum, glass options, low E, double pane, tempered, energy efficiency ratings and climate suitability, budget and aesthetic preferences. Because Lafayette experiences hot summers, rain, and humidity, many homeowners opt for energy-efficient windows that include low E coatings and insulated glass to reduce cooling costs. Scheduling and custom manufacturing. Once your window choices are finalized, your order is placed. If you've selected custom-sized or specialty windows, they will be manufactured to your specifications. This process typically takes a few weeks, depending on availability and demand. You'll work with your installer to schedule a convenient installation date. Many Lafayette homeowners try to schedule in spring or fall for mild weather conditions. Preparing your home for installation. Before the installation crew arrives, you'll want to prepare your home. Remove window coverings, curtains, blinds, shades. Clear furniture and obstacles near windows. Disable alarm systems or sensors connected to windows. Secure pets in a separate area to avoid disruption. Professional crews typically bring protective coverings like drop cloths to keep your floors and furnishings safe from dust or debris. Old window removal. On installation day, the team will begin by carefully removing your old windows, including any deteriorated frames or seals. They'll take care to avoid damaging nearby drywall, trim, or siding. Any signs of water damage, rot, or structural concerns will be brought to your attention. If repairs are needed, the crew will recommend the best approach before proceeding. New window installation. Next, the new windows are installed. A quality installer will ensure that each unit is level and square in the opening, properly insulated with spray foam or weather sealing, secured with high-quality fasteners, finished with caulking to prevent air or water infiltration. Each window is tested for smooth operation, locking mechanisms, and secure seals. Most Lafayette homes can have all their windows replaced in a single day, depending on the size and complexity of the project. Cleanup and walkthrough. After installation, the crew will remove all debris, old windows, and leftover materials. Your installer will then walk you through the project, showing how to open, close, and lock each window, how to clean and maintain them properly. warranty information and documentation. What to monitor during the first few weeks post-installation. This is the perfect time to ask any final questions and inspect the workmanship. Enjoy the benefits with your new Windows installed. You'll immediately notice benefits like a quieter interior due to sound-reducing glass, improved comfort with reduced drafts and better insulation, and lower utility bills from enhanced energy efficiency, a more attractive exterior, increasing curb appeal and home value. Plus, many Lafayette homeowners qualify for energy efficiency rebates or tax credits, depending on the windows they choose. Final thoughts. A window installation project in Lafayette doesn't have to be overwhelming. By working with experienced professionals and preparing ahead of time, you'll enjoy a smooth process and a lasting upgrade. Whether you're renovating an older home or building new, investing in high-quality windows will pay off in comfort, beauty, and savings. Ready to get started? Schedule your consultation today with a trusted Lafayette window installation company and take the first step toward a brighter, more efficient home.